Now that we've finished with all four sides in beating those, we need to put the bottom on, okay? But first we're gonna clean it because we need to get a white piece of glass and trace the bottom. And I'll show you that here in a second. So, I've cleaned this off inside and out. It's fully clean. And now I've got a piece of white glass because white reflects candle or light better than black glass, let's say. I'm gonna get a black Sharpie because it's gonna show up on the white glass. And then I'm gonna put the bottom over the glass. And I'm gonna go ahead and trace my bottom out because it's not gonna be perfect. It is not gonna be perfect. As you can see, that's not a perfect square, but that's okay. That's gonna fit my candle box perfectly. All right, so I'm gonna cut on the outside of the black line, leaving the black line. That way, if I have to take a little bit more off, I can grind it off. Because if I grind too much off, it'll fall right through the box. All right, now that I've cut it out, I'm gonna wanna place it on the bottom of my box here and figure out which way it goes, all right? But you're gonna want a perfect fit. So keep turning it, keep turning it. If you need help, come ask me, I'll come help you. All right, now we go ahead and foil it. I would go ahead and mark it so you know which side goes where. So I'll mark a little bit of black on the copper foil and a little bit of black here so I line it up. Okay, now I've foiled it and I've got a little bit of black I got there left. You can see that. Now I'm gonna match it up with that black line so we know exactly how that fits. Now let's go solder this thing. So now that our top fits perfectly, we're gonna wanna flux a little bit of it, just a little bit. I don't want to touch much here. Corners. And then we're gonna go ahead and solder that sucker down. Just a little bit. All right, now it's not gonna move. Now we'll go ahead, flux the rest, and we're gonna put that bead on that edge. All right, so now we fluxed it. We're gonna go ahead and put more solder in there. So we'll go ahead and take your clamps so you can hold that diagonally and come on in. And make sure you do it to all four sides. One more side. All right, and now we're done with the bottom. One last thing is, we want to go ahead and get those little areas on the outside that we might have missed, here, here, and here, with solder. So we'll do that now. After you get all those edges, you want to go ahead and bead the top, because again, the beading keeps the foil from peeling up. If you notice copper foil on the inside of your box, go ahead and put a little flux on it and solder that. It shouldn't take a whole lot, but go ahead and shore that up.